It's regarding the fear of Allah. I don't know, it's a fear of Allah or people are too shy. You know, sometimes in offices, they don't have the masjid nearby, so they are too shy to pray inside masjid, like inside the office, because they are like girls are there, boys, the managers, everyone. So they are too shy. The time is even passing. They say like, I'll go home and pray. What would you say on that?
Okay, I am not praying in office because there are people, so I feel shy. So يعني if it is not a proper place to pray, okay, and you will not miss the time of salah, this is very important. Okay, if you will not miss the, for example, the time of the office, for example, 1 p.m. So no problem, go home and you pray. If you don't have a masjid, if there is masjid, you pray in the masjid. But for example, you are in a place, there is no masjid, very difficult, okay? Or you are in a hospital, very difficult to pray with the jama'ah, okay? So you can go home and pray. But if you are in a place and no one will say anything, pray on time. I mean at the beginning. Maybe people will join you. Many times we feel shy, but subhanAllah, when I start, you'll find people join you. So be the start of khair and you will get the reward inshallah.